Good morning, lovely students. Today we will learn new chapter, that is chapter 4, houses people live in. Students, why do we live in houses? Do you know? We live in houses because house protects us from heat, storm, cold, rain and animals. We need house for shelter and safety. In this chapter, we will learn about houses and different types of houses. See, you can see types of houses. So students, there are two types of houses, that is pakka houses and kacha houses. People build different types of houses in different places. You have already learned about pakka and kacha houses. Most cities have pakka houses like bungalows and multi-stored apartments. Kacha houses are mostly found in village. Houses can be temporary or permanent. All pakka houses are permanent houses. So students, there are two types of houses, that is pakka houses and kacha houses. Pakka houses are made of burnt bricks. Bricks means ita and cement, etc. Pakka houses like bungalows, multi-story apartments are pakka houses. Pakka houses are found mostly in cities, whereas kacha houses are found mostly in villages. Kacha house means which is made up of mud, bamboos or unburnt bricks, etc. So students, houses can be temporary or permanent, but pakka houses are permanent houses. Now we will learn about what is temporary houses. Temporary houses. People who move from one place to another live in temporary houses. Tents, caravans and houseboats are temporary houses. See students, temporary house means people who move from one place to another is called temporary houses. Temporary houses like tents, caravans, houseboats are temporary houses. Temporary houses is for short time of period. Tents. Tents are made from thick cloth called canvas or plastic sheets. They can be folded and carried along from one place to another. See students, tents are made up of thick cloth called canvas. It is a thick cloth or plastic sheet. I hope you have seen in movies or book what is tent. Tent can be folded and can be carried along from one place to another. For example, forest area or hill areas can be taken. When we go for traveling, usually we take tent houses. Now we will learn what is caravans. Caravans are houses built on wheels. There is a place to sleep, a washroom and a small kitchen. So students, caravan houses means a large vehicle that is pulled by a car. Okay, you can sleep, cook. Caravans is used when you are traveling on a holiday. You can see this is caravan. Houseboats. Houseboats are floating houses built with wood. You can see children, this is houseboat. Houseboat means a boat on a river where somebody lives and which usually stays in a one place. Houseboats are made of wood which is floating in the river. For today this much only. I hope you have understood well about kacha house, pakka house and why we live in house and about temporary house. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.